Yeah, hi, hello. In this video, we are going to understand about the tool y equal to f of x. That is, we are going to understand the process that is responsible for the business result, right? The process will contain the x variable and the y variable, and the business is looking for a result which is represented as z variable. So how the x, y, and z are connected in a particular process, that is what we are going to understand, from this small lesson, short lesson. And see here, your project is improving a process which is responsible for the y variable and the x variable. Generally, the y variable is called the bigger y in the project. We can also call it as project CTQ, project critical to quality characteristics. Sometimes it is also called as project response. For example, I manufacture, rods, metal rods, and the strength of the metal rods is important, but I receive a lot of complaint about the strength of the metal rods that I'm manufacturing. Now, the strength of the metal rods is the y variable. And now the strength of the metal rod actually depends on various other factors. Some of the factors are the composition of the material I am using for the manufacturing of the rods, the machining process I adopt, the cutting tool angle I set, and these are all called X variables. They are called process CTQs. They're also called as the causes. They're also called as the process inputs. They're also called as process parameters. When I tune these X factors, my Y factor will get tuned. When I optimize the X variable, my Y variable gets optimized. That means my problem is getting solved. If my Y variable is getting optimized, that means the strength is getting optimized. All my manufactured rods will have a strength as per the customer requirement. That means I will not have any rejections at the customer side. All the rods that I supply will get accepted by my customer. And so the rejections, the cost associated with the rejections, which we call it as cost of poor quality, is the business consequence. If I don't optimize the strength of the rod, that will lead to rejections. Ultimately, that becomes a loss in the form of cost of poor quality. Let us say it is the company is losing 12 lakhs every month because of the rejections due to insufficient strength in the insufficient or inappropriate strength in the rods they manufacture. So that is called the Z variable. You can call them as business CTQ or you can call them as business consequences. So always take care of the X variables to take care of the Y variable, and eventually you will be able to take care of your Z variable, which are the business results. Hope this understanding is clear, right? So thank you for watching.